back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna be making crocodile buns. It's also like Vienna bread, but with a little twist. I put 4.5 cups of flour in this bowl, and now I'm going to put 4.5 tablespoons of dry yeast. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar and salt. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. For extra softness, add 2 tablespoons of butter. And 1 egg. Now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of warm water. I'm going to be using my KitchenAid with the bread hook, so it becomes a nice consistency. Now I'm going to mix the dough. I just took the bread out of the mixer, and this is what it looks like right now. And now I'm going to wrap it in plastic wrap for 30 minutes until it rises. This is what the crocodile bread dough looks like after 30 minutes of resting. Now I'm going to take the plastic wrap off. So the crocodile buns look like croissants, so now I'm going to make them into circles. I made circles because it'll be easier to put it in the shape of the crocodile buns. I'm going to take this circle and I'm going to try to make it look like this crocodile bun shape. Now I need to make it into a triangle. Now I'm going to roll it up. If you can't knead it with your hands, use a rolling pin. And after you're done using the rolling pin, take a pizza cutter and cut it into the shape of a triangle. I cut it into a triangle, and now I'm gonna roll it up. I finished making the crocodile buns, and this is what it looks like now. And the next step we're going to do is we're going to make it sweet. Now I'm going to make a simple sugar syrup. First you take water and then you take sugar and you put the sugar in the water. I took 1 spoon of water and now I'm going to mix it well. Now I'm going to take this sugar syrup and coat it on the crocodile buns. I'm gonna coat sugar to these crocodile buns. I'll show you now. I put the brown sugar to this baking pan and now I'm gonna split it. Now I'm gonna take a crocodile bun and roll it. These crocodile buns look very good. So now for the degrees, I'm gonna put it at 365 degrees for 30 minutes. These are the crocodile buns. They are sweet and very delicious. Bye, see you next time on Shenaya's Place.